Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Bannerjee. Overnight, Wall Street में heavy sell-off था, but at least Asia is ignoring that. Chinese central bank lowered interest rate और जिसके कारण sentiment has turned positive. और दूसरी तरफ oil prices are holding steady, but at least off their highs. और US 10-year bond yields भी is off their highs. Dollar index is slightly weaker, तो ये पूरा चीज का summation means dollar rupee is going to get a slightly negative impact from this global cues today. Kal dollar rupee interestingly made a U-turn from 74.80 nearly to down to 74.50 levels at the close. इसके पीछे primary reason था heavy corporate flows. ये जो corporate dollar flows है, this has been very heavy over the past few months. Even November, December में मतलब मिड नवंबर से मिड दिसंबर तक जब एक रैली देखने को मिला था फ्रॉम 74 to 76 in dollar rupee, primarily triggered by a rising dollar index and a nearly $5 to $6 billion outflow from the FPI. उस टाइम में भी the impact was far muted because corporate inflows was quite heavy. और फिर उसके बाद दिसंबर में when things turned for dollar rupee, it was a corporate flows which pushed the dollar rupee down from 76 back towards 74 levels. So corporate flows continues to be a big savior for the Indian rupee. और कल भी ये because of this heavy corporate flows हुआ क्या during the latter part, the speculators had to abandon their longs and the dollar rupee fell. Now technically अभी भी the uptrend is still intact. Yes, momentum has been damaged, but uptrend is still intact. जब तक 74.40 के ऊपर the futures are holding, Jan futures, तब तक one can say that the trend is up. So how to now play it? 74.40 के आसपास one can buy with a stop loss below 74.30 on the futures, and 74.80-85 is going to be a major resistance now because yesterday it sold off near 74.85 के आसपास. So 74.80-85 is going to be an upper cap. But in case अगर 74.30 के नीचे ये ट्रेड करने लगता है the Jan futures, then one can say that in all purposes the uptrend जो एक at least एक दो दिन के लिए लग रहा था कि it's going to be an uptrend, वो is practically over. But as of now 74.40 के आसपास you can attempt longs with the stop below 74.30. Now क्योंकि एक रेंज बाउंड चांसेस है कि डॉलर रुपी में स्लिप इनटू अ रेंज एंड नॉट जस्ट मेक अ बिग अप मूव, तो इसके लिए वन कैन इवन लुक टू सेल आउट ऑफ मनी, कॉल एंड पुट ऑप्शंस, फॉर एग्जांपल strangles to benefit from it. But such trades needs to have a stop loss because in case a trend emerges, you don't want to be caught with it. But as of now, you can also focus on selling out of money options. Premium कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं है because the VIX or the implied volatility is low because dollar rupee is not showing any signs of a trend as of now. इसके लिए VIX is low. But still, you can look to do these kind of strategies like selling strangles, or even focusing on iron flies if you want to reduce your risk. Along with, as I said, buying futures near 74.40 with a stop below 74.30 on the futures. Now, cross currency में GBPINR we continue to be bullish, so buying is advised. Bullish strategy should be considered as long as GBPINR is holding above 100.80 levels. Euro is going to be under pressure, and yen INR will also be under pressure. आज कोई major economic data है नहीं, so it's going to be largely the trend in the equity market and the dollar index which will dictate the movement in the currency markets over here. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Bannerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.